As we were saying, then in phase 2, we will fix the elevator, make it proper and running so that people can benefit from it. And the changing of the tiles in the women entrance, bathroom updates, everything will be, updated. This women lecture hall will be totally renovated. Right now, as you can see, it needs new flooring and everything, so it will be fixed. And in phase 2, we will also have a new HVAC system for our weekend Islamic school and for our regular, child care programs and other activities. We will also update, inshallah, the new sound system. We'll bring in and have a better, more professional sound system, inshallah, in phase 2.